Hello students, in this video we are going to learn slide transition. Before starting the topic, first I want to make it clear two things. First is slide animation and another is slide transition. Animation means movement of objects on a slide during slideshow, and slide transition means movement of the slides during slideshow. Means slide transition means the changing of the slide from one to another during slideshow in an attractive manner is referred as slide transition. So we can say that slide transitions are the visual movement that we see when one slide changes to another slide during slideshow. Now, how can you apply slide transition in a slideshow? To apply the slide transition in a slideshow, first you need to select a slide. You can select a slide by clicking on the slide. Means here simply click it, then the slide will be selected. After that, go to the transitions tab. Here, look at here. Transitions tab. Here many transition effects are present. You can choose any of the transition effect from here, and if you want to choose some more effect, then click here this more button. This one, more button. After clicking on this more button, a drop down box will appear. It will show you the different types of transition effects. You can choose any of the transition effect according to your requirement. After that, just click on the previewing transition. Look at here. This preview button, preview transition button, it is present on transition tab. This will show you the preview of your transition effect during the slideshow. So you can apply transition effect on the slide. How? First, select the slide. After that, go to the transition tab. On the transition tab, directly you can choose the transition effect, or if you want to choose more effect, then click on the more button. After clicking on the more button, a drop down box will appear. From this drop down box, you can choose any of the transition effect, and after choosing it, click on the preview button to preview the transition effect applied to your transition. Now, modify the transition effect. How you can modify the transition? On the transition tab, here you find different type of transition, and here, look at here, you are finding effect option, sound and the duration of the transition, and advanced slide, means how the slide will change during the slideshow. So if we want to make modification in the transition, then first you need to select the slide. After selecting the slide, go in the transition tab. On the transition tab, you will find the option effect of options. This effect option, it is used to change the way the transition has to be played, such as direction or shape. Advanced slide, this advanced slide, this option will help you to this advanced slide. Here it is showing two options, on mouse click or after, means this is used to choose the timing for the transition. This means when you want the next slide to appear, by default the slide changes with a mouse click during the slideshow. You can choose on mouse click or after option. Now there is option sound. It is used to choose a sound effect to play at the time of slide transition. This sound, you can find different types of sound effect from here. You can choose any of the effect which you want. Now there is option duration. On duration, it is used to adjust the speed of slide transition, and there is option apply to all, means if we want to apply this transition effect to all the slides, then you can simply click on this apply to all. Then the transition effect which you have selected, that will be applied to all the slides. Now if we want to insert audio in the slide, then how can you do this? You can insert audio on a slide by simply clicking on insert tab. First you click on insert tab. On insert tab you will find this option here. Look at here at the end, audio. When you click on this audio option, you will find the option audio from file, clip art audio or record audio. Audio from file, this is the audio file which is already present on your hard disk, means the file which is already present on your computer. You can use the file. And record audio, you can record your own audio during the slideshow by using this option. Suppose we want to insert a sound file which is already present in our hard disk, then how can we do this? First we need to click on the insert tab. After clicking on the insert tab, go to the audio button. Audio button, choose this option audio from file. Audio from file option, just browse the file from your hard disk which you want to apply, and after that click on the insert button. As soon as you click on the insert button, you will see this button will appear on your slide. So once you get this button on your slide, when you play your slide during slideshow, the audio which have already selected will be played automatically. Now second option, if you want to insert your own audio, then again click on the insert tab. After insert tab, go to the audio button. On the audio button, go to the record audio. After this dialog box will appear in which you can record your own sound. It is play, stop, record button. Just click on this record button and start speaking what you want to record during the slideshow. After recording all the content during slideshow, click on this stop button. After clicking on the stop button, your sound will automatically insert on the slide during slideshow. Now if you want to insert any clip video or a video in a slideshow, then how it can be done? Again, go to the insert tab. On the insert tab, you will find this option video. Here you can choose video from file option to browse the video from your hard disk. Just browse the video from your hard disk. After that, click on the insert button. After clicking on the insert button, that video will be inserted in the slide. This video will be played during the slideshow. When you click on this,